Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamarapu Biafra, Gawe Bozogabi, Agamarapu Biafra, Gawe Bozogabi, Biafra.
Ojukwu finally took his people out of Nigeria. Biafra was proclaimed.
My people, we don't come again today. Nana became the voice of Biafra. We dey thank everybody who send message because we know feed them again because they plenty. They thank all now. People will encourage us. We dey thank all now. Our today's topic now about this Igbo and Jewish thing where they happen. Some people say we be Igbo. Some people say no, they will be Jews. Say we come from Israel. But before we go that one, we talk about that one, get wetin happen, wey just dey vex me. Where one man, where they say the professor, where they say na Muhammad or wetin they call him. Professor, they give lecture, they talk say Igbo people, they cause drug abuse for northern Nigeria. They think pay me so they, but I no want make we take because within that man talk, go and saw the whole house. Because that man we see there no fit no be house man. If he be part of the skills, part of the tricks to really divide the ordinary people. Because they don't use the same trick. Because anybody we say be intellectual or professor or anything we call himself, supposed to know within the cause drug abuse for any country, any place. When people they poor, when people they hopeless, when there's unfair distribution of wealth, people they resort to alcoholism, drug abuse. Even some people they put head for religion, so that they can go get that small relief. It's there everywhere for the world. If you go for India, it's there. China, it's there. Even the Islamic countries, Saudi Arabia, all of them, people they take drugs. No people carry and they go that place. So understand within this man they try to do. This man where they talk like somebody where no get sense. Understand what thing they try to do. Maybe you no get sense true, or say in one further plant seeds. Because these people don't see say nothing, the power where they give their man, but you never use and do anything. You never achieve anything. So waiting they won't use hold the ordinary people where they suffer now. Now that divide and rule. Now why that man come, I believe now why that man will be also come make that kind of statement where no get sense. We, for our land, for Igbo land, we they see people they sell magan, bruntash. No be Igbo people now. That one na drug now. But we just they adopt our people because I don't read many articles. People don't read issue statement. They insult the whole house. Don't brush the whole people with one brush. We don't pass that level. So maybe we go back for waiting carry us come today. Now Igbo and Jews. We don't see many documentaries. Even as we talk now, you get the documentary where this people won't start again. Say Igbo people are Jews. Say na lost tribe of Israel. In fact, some people don't even enter our land. Some white people will say they be Jews. Come they take our people blood. Which kind of insult be that one? Now them supposed test us or now we go test them. You don't see where Pikin born his papa. Who be the Jews? Who be the Igbo people? Maybe we talk them so that we go relate this thing where even our intellectual we don't write books. If you write book, when you not get enough information, if you get enough information, critique yourself. Now the sign of intelligence. Tutmosis the first critique himself. Akhenaton critique himself. Bertrand Russell, René Descartes, all of them critique themselves. When you get even Karmas, because we get records. Archaeological evidence, historical evidence, who we be, we know who we be. I know who I be Igbo man. I know come from Jerusalem, I know be lost. It's an insult to see call the great Igbo people lost tribe. Do you know the psychology behind the term lost? When you admit, say you be lost person, then you go need somebody who will show you the way. That is when you need a Messiah, that is when you need a Savior. That is psychology. Why you think say out of the so-called 12 tribes, the two where they na white people, the ones were lost, na African and Asian people, you don't understand them. Now make we begin talk about which people be Jews. Make we go from their own book where they derive this their history, from Torah, from Talmud, where they call Old Testament. They say Abraham, na be their papa, their number one papa. Now make we go follow that logic. Because I know we make our people then tangle with what they don't understand. Abraham be their papa. If you go for Old Testament, they say Abraham come from up. You are now how the Bible spell him. From Mesopotamia, present day Iran. Abraham married. He married Sarah. Sarah no fit born early. Sarah gets one housemate. We come from Africa, Egypt. He come born Ishmael. Sarah come later carry Bele. Come born Isaac. Now, one papa born these two people. Isaac, Ishmael. Ishmael no come be Jew. Ishmael can be Arab. Understand? I'm coming. No, just follow me the waka. No verse, because I know say many of us we don't dig deep into religion. The verse when someone want talk something. Even me, I practiced Judaism for 13 years. If you tell me in those days I no be Jew, I go fight you. Now Abraham born these two people. Ishmael can be Arab. Isaac can be Jew. Now what papa born them? It be like as I did now. I marry woman from my town. My first son. I can't get another woman where my wife bring from me, way from another side of Africa. He come born my first son. My first son come be Hausa. Come born second one come be Yoruba. It makes sense. Now make we dey go. This Isaac now, where Abraham born, come born twins. Esau, first son, Jacob, second son. Esau will be first son, no be Jew. He can't be Edomite. Jacob will be second son. Now twins so from one womb, one mama. Jacob can't be the Jew. Understand? Do you know what a race is? Do you know what ethnicity is? You don't see where two people from one womb come be different race, different ethnicity. Because I want to make Igbo understand the kind of things where they want to entangle themselves with. Things where no make sense. Even the Bible, I think Paul write and for if you go to Galatians 4, from 21, read down to 26. If they tell you, say that story of Sarah, all these people, you know, say an allegory. Allegory, it never happened. You understand? Now allegory, the same way we get our own allegory from our own area. Things we know how, but we dey one use and send a message, send a lesson. Now, make we go begin know which people begin try to use mythology, turn them into history. The first person who tried to do this thing, now one man in 1st century AD, where they call Josephus. Josephus was the first person who tried to carry everything where the Old Testament, put them as history. So Josephus, now he come begin write. Say, these people where we later come they call Jew, he used the term House of Israel, House of David. Say they be one race. He carry everything where they for Torah, for Old Testament, come bam, land them for his book. So the early intellectuals of those days critique the work, put the work inside those bins, so it never makes sense. Nobody talk about this thing until 1,600 years later. New intellectuals from Europe, Germany, France, will be Jews. Jews in the sense of religious group. Now then start this same thing again. Many of them, I am Jews. It gets many of them. The other one, Marcus. But the person we can really give this thing strong foundation. Now one man, what they call Moses Hayes. Moses Hayes, now Karl Marx's friend. I think he wrote that book in 1868, something like that. The book now, Jerusalem and Rome, the last nationalist question. They won't prove say Israel, these Jews na race. So as he write down, other students, the whole of the university everywhere for Europe, all the Jew people from Jewish background, Jewish in terms of religious group, come begin to write them as article, as assignment. One man come expand them, go far. That man na Henry Grace. Grace is spelled Graetz. Now he come write one powerful book, publish everything, everybody they shall say, oh, these people don't be raised. But something can happen. Darwin come publish his book, Origin of Species. Ridicule the entire creation story. So you know what these Jewish scholars do? They begin to edit their works. Can they take away all the creation mythology? Can they take away all the miracles? Before we can repackage them, their work, make it look scientific. And another thing now, where many Igbo intellectuals don't compare. Now, how we even become these Jews they call us today? The first people will begin this idea in the British Empire. First, one of the scholars claims one sultan for North in 18 something. When they asked him which people they live outside, he said na Jews. He said na Jews they live that side. That was the first time where this Jewish thing come begin to raise head. So when the British Empire come finally remove Ezenri Obalike. Ezenri Obalike, na 1911 they remove him. Ezenri Obalike, until they remove him, no talk say they be Jews. Hear it again. In no book, not customers, now follow the problem between Ezenri Obalike and the British Empire until they remove him from the seat. But when they remove Ezenri Obalike, Britain still no fit control the land where they remove, because they do on every part of Igbo land. They remove the people where they hold the culture. Because the first thing where the British Empire want to achieve now to destroy our identity, destroy our education system, destroy our political system, destroy our spirituality. 6 years later, in 1917, British archaeologists, government go begin to dig hole for 500 feet, go dig out something where they use, say they write for RMA, say they write and guard. They begin celebrating, oh, these people true, the Jews they be, na Jews they be. People who want to destroy our identity. You know, ask yourself, what thing they do for 500 feet? Not be the kind of thing where happen for Ibuku. Ibuku on be say somebody they dig pit toilet, I think Maziano. Consist at that, now make archaeology go begin to dig Ibuku. This one be say British people use their hand, go to dig place. Can't come out something. Before they know one of those Ezenri people, because when they come out Ezobalig, they replace them with red calf cheese. People where they brainwash. People where they call a fulave. You have Igbo land. Now they use to replace all all the great priests where we get for our lands. Powerful people. Now those ones go begin go view and say begin call them Obugad. We say they come from Israel. Eze Obaleke and the other Ezenri, none of them know where Israel is or Jerusalem. Now, make we even begin to do the comparison. The reason why they say Igbo people are Jews. What thing they call cross-cultural relationship or similarities. They say we get the same culture. Say we they sacrifice this way. The thing we talk about women, the thing we talk. You get the same other people, even Yoruba, Benin, if you go Ghana, if you go Kenya, if you go, we get people where they behave that, even in ancient Rome, then they do sacrifice. They pour blood inside and they cover. You get what them be integral part of every culture. These people they call Jews, they get 4 market days. Then they use cola not as we they use them. They welcome people, they share them the way we they share them. You know the meaning of that thing? They get age grade system. They get waiting we get. We be integral part. Because I know one make we go they claim say we be people where we suppose big pass. And they talk big pass in a very derogatory. People where we ought pass. You understand? They say we they behave. They come with a quote Ekuano, allow the Ekuano say right. I don't read the book. Go buy the book. His memoir, where he writes 17 something. Allow them meet these people. Say these people, they behave like Igbo. Igbo, they behave like them. Either say that Igbo give birth to them or not then give. Now the statement we make. Other authors, they Ekwa not say we be Jews. Ekwa not say we be Jews. These things are inferiority complex, means with ignorance. Now they make the, if you know who you be, you know go they claim say you be something where you know be. Now make we even go to archaeological evidence. In a place called Uguele, Oduroki. Some years back, archaeologists excavated that place. Do you know the hand axe? Hand axe na instrument, tools that they used during the Stone Age. The hand axe where they excavated that place, even 8 lorries no fit carry them. Now the highest ever excavated, showing that people live there between 200,000 to 500,000. Do you know the strange thing? The hand axe where they be excavated other parts of the world, India, China, Argentina, Mexico, they trace them to that same place. So it means that our ancestors, they already know, say, no be only them they live on this earth. They believe that the earth is one family. So anything where they produce, they know they produce anything, only thing where they chop or then they were already exporting. I mean, over 100,000 years ago, our ancestors were exporting goods. So we've been on this earth for thousands of years. Now, Abraham, which and when is exist? The theologians say Abraham been exist between 1,800 to 2,000 BC. The Iron Melting Center discovered in Leja, another Nsukka environment, where they go carbon date for Oxford. They say that thing was there 4,000 BC. That is 2,000 years older than Abraham. So there were industries in Igbo land even before Abraham. That is if Abraham ever existed. But we no won't go that direction. Because I want our people to know who they be. Because if you go to museums in the world, see waiting Igbo ancestors use hand produce where they there. Go and show me the one where these people we call Jews produce. Because tomorrow they go begin claim saying that them be those people who live with Buiku, and our intellectuals go begin celebrate them. Because they try for Egypt until check until Duke come write his book, expose everything, everybody take off. We be Igbo. We are the ancient people, the masters of the universe. Even the ancient Bini people, they call us name. People that stand up to great kings. The food where we give word, okra, from our land, we give them to the whole world. Some people they talk say, hey, Igbo people they go because Igbo people there for Israel. They, of course, our ancestors travel all over the world. China, if you go China, you go hear Igbo language for China. In fact, the first Chinese emperor, Emperor Yi, where they reduced to Yi. It was Mao during the Chinese Revolution where changed that name to Emperor Yu, because they wanted the name to sound Chinese. If you go Japan, language, they get many Igbo languages. German, English, you get many Igbo languages. We are the masters of the universe. We were here before other people. Go and read your history if you don't know who you be. So other comparison be said with the travel like the Jews. It's an insult. Now Jews, these people you call Jews, now then they travel like us. We are everywhere in the world. Even if you go to Peru, Paraguay, Uruguay, we did there. Go to Togo, Ghana, Chad, but everywhere. Angola, where they talk, before they named that place Angola, it was Matamba. Their last queen was Nzenga. If you go to Zambia, Zimbabwe, then they be Igbo names. Kenya, then they be Igbo names. Now we move from our land to other parts. We were priests. We get priest, one of the oldest priestly lineage. In fact, make I tell you this story. As at 1960 something, in 1960s, Israeli government sent delegate to a place called Akwet, looking for a man called Dekekelolo, a great prophet. They offered him and his entire family Israeli passport to move them to Israel. That there in Israel, that prophets said that some prophets in Israel told them that there was a man in Akwete that will come and teach them their ways. That means it is your own way they copied. It's not the other way. Any day you become conscious of who you are, you go to see yourself. You go not see even the Bible where they read. Now your story. I know go into many things. Because if you see what they write for Bible when Jesus they do baptism, what you observe? They say in accordance with the Jewish tradition. But which Jew do baptism? Moses do baptism, Abraham do baptism, Isaac do baptism, Jacob do baptism. No, nobody do baptism. If you want to join Okonkwo Academy, the matriculation process na baptism. It a meaning. Now we get them. Palm Sunday, they do Palm Sunday. I post something for my Facebook. People don't understand. People will start the Palm Sunday in the Roman Empire. They get uncle, they get palm trees. No, now tradition where our ancestors been they celebrate in those days. We talk about a triumphant entry. When Jesus they enter, then they throw palm leaf on the ground. No be Jewish culture. Tell me any Jew where they do it for Igbo land, then they do it. Even up to 1960s, 1950s. My papa talk say people where they sent to overseas, where they come back, the first doctors, the first lawyers, I mean doctors in terms of Western education. When they come back, the likes of Dr. Emuche, the models in front of the land, say then they throw palm leaf for ground, make these people they walk. Now, what thing Igbo they do when Ezem modern great men they come, they visit, then they throw palm leaf on the floor. It is our culture, they copied. They copied from us. Now, another area we put they compare, we say we are blessed like the Jews. You don't hear where they say somebody, Papa, is blessed like the son. No. Now the son, they say you are blessed like your father. It is an insult to say we are blessed like the Jews. Now Jews, where go they say they are blessed like us? You know the meaning of blessed, you know what in be blessing. Make I tell you, if you don't know what in being gozi. When all the European people will come our land, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, the early ones, before they started their propaganda, it gets things where all of them talk. Say this land, Igbo land, nobody big pass another. They treat everybody equally. Say they no see poor people. They no see homeless person. They no see prison. They no see police. Now the land now waiting they call blessing. A land where poor people know they. No be this obenye where obenye no mean poor. Obenye na people obenye means people on social benefits. People where no born picking, people where they in capacity, where no fit work, community they take care of them, provide everything where they need. If they sick, doctor go visit them for house, treat them. That was the Igbo, the pre-colonial Igbo. Now what do we call blessing? You don't talk of the Igbo soil. Anything where you put into Igbo land, they grow. Any seed, you throw away corn, you throw away cashew nut, anything cola nut, you throw away, it go grow. Even if you go mix Igbo sand with cement, chop mango finish, put the seed there, the thing congeal. The sand, this way Igbo sand, the way they mix with that cement, go give that mango seed life. Go there, next one with 2 weeks, it don't grow. Now blessed land. Make I tell you another story. In those days, again when cherubim people want send their leaders to Israel, to Jerusalem, make them go do anointing. Come back so that they go do other people anointing. Somebody will not be Igbo. That's the way they tell me when I did small. Because I also go to cherubim. My papa go to cherubim. When waiting we go. From small, now we enter. Me I enter. We follow enter. They said that person see prophecy. Tell cherubim people. Say make them no go Israel. See, get a holy place for Igbo land. Say they call that place Omamba. Ugu Omamba. In Okigwe. Up till the time where I leave cherubim, now still there, then they go for the anointing, for do any of these spiritual things where then they do. Ugu Omamba. That was some decades before then they go excavation for Ugu Eni. Do you now see how spirituality, science, history come jam? Somebody will know the Igbo, see that prophecy. Look at what we are doing to ourselves. Say Igbo people go from their land, go Jerusalem, go talk the war, finish. Come back, come the insult with the pour libation. You talk to war, write something for paper, put inside war. Carry stone from Jerusalem, enter plane, come back. See, you go Holy Land. You know, say your land, the Holy Land. In this studio, our major target na attack the mental slavery where they our people head, mind. We cannot have a civilized country when the people don't know who they be. Do you know what it means? Knowledge of self is number one knowledge. Knowledge of, with any people without knowledge of self, will become slaves. Henry Clark talks say to control a people, you must control what they think about themselves. This revolution, Biafran revolution, where they happen, there are so many people who want to destroy them. The people where they call the children of the world, where they are wiser, they white supremacists. Anytime black people they do revolution, they don't liberate themselves, then go push religion in. It happened for America. When black America, everybody, black intellectual, Marcus Garvey lead that radical intellectual revolution. Black people can't they know who they be. Marcus Garvey, Van Satima, James Baldwin, Henry Clark, Ben Buchanan, and many other intellectuals. White supremacists see how black people don't liberate themselves. Because once you know who you be, that's the beginning of your freedom. Do you know what these people do? These people push money to one man where they call Elijah Muhammad. As they push money, every day, media day his house. All the major media day his house. Then they project this man. This man, they insult white people every day. They call them devil. They say black people na gods, but say their main religion na Islam. You see how it diverted a very serious revolution with religion. Before you they know, all the radical Africans, black Americans, where they call themselves them, come to join Islam. Muhammad Ali, Malcolm X, Stokely Carmichael, many of them come join. Khalid Muhammad, all of them with that energy where they supposed to use connect to their roots, African roots, connect to their brothers and sisters. That energy was diverted to Islam. Do you see how smart these people are? And now waiting don't they happen for Biafran struggle now. Now why will they shout? Before you they know, slaves don't they reject their slave names, they adopt another slave name. Somebody go say, I'm no longer going to answer Smart or Michael. It's a slave name. You go begin answer Muhammad. You go begin answer Ibrahim. You jump from one slave master to another slave master. And what happened to that revolution? It was destroyed. But when Malcolm X visited Africa, his eyes opened. He go back on the third and said, no, boy, we don't make mistake. What happened to him? He was assassinated. When Khalid Muhammad come go Mecca, the seventh time, when he come there conscious, when he come begin to read books written by the likes of Chancellor Williams and the rest of them, destruction of black civilization, his eyes come open. He come back, come to tell his brothers and sisters of America, so boy, they don't make mistake. What happened to him? He was assassinated. That is exactly things that are happening in Biafran struggle today. The children of the world, the white supremacists are pushing in money to divert our revolution. Make we begin the claim say we be Jews. So that to destroy our identity. Imagine what thing they happen to rats. Once you begin train rats, they tell and saying be cat. Oh boy, now that is they go. Because once the rat begin to call himself cat, if you see rat, he go head, hey, go on hug them. Rat go take and do pepper soup. Now why we come do this program? Because it gets another documentary where one go on, where they want push again to tell you what push say they be Jews. I want the Passover. Everybody they sing. To that rabba. But if you they do New Year festival, those people go see that home. If you they do Ebe, Ikoro, Mount, those people no go come because they go say na evil. Our people are not changing their name to Chika to Yaka, to Chukudi to Yadi. If you ask them what happened to Chi or Chuku, they say Naivo na devil. Chai! See now, church abasago. But we no go agree. Now why we dey do this program? If you listen, begin carry this message. Say, these people want to finish us. They want to take our identity and give us a false identity. Identity where we big pass. Because a child cannot give birth to his father. And now waiting we dey do this program. No verse too much. Because me too, I've been the verse. Even if you dey talk about our gene where we get our body, our gene and these people were there for Israel today, no be the same. In fact, if you even go to Israel, see how they treat black people, you go cry now. In fact, they don't tell our people, then they spell our people. People even they say, okay, make one come. These people know who we be now. But we they claim waiting we know be Igbo people stop am. See what they do us there. The gene where we get na L type. Now we get the gene where we get LICG type. Now we get their own. They no get one gene. The most and our own gene is a dominant gene. Go and add the dominant gene. Now we get their own gene. Most of them na NM gene. The same gene with European and white Americans. They get people where get there where share the same gene with Palestinians. You get people where they where share the same gene with the people of Yemen. You get people where they where share the same gene with people of the Kurdistans. This is people not be raised, they be in a religious group. In a religious group. In fact, they call the followers of Moses, Abrahamic people. Jew itself na ya been named where they use the Yap people as at 17th and 18th century. Nobody want answer them. Igbo people. Igbo people. Igbo people. Titanora, wake up. And that story where I go end now. Before I leave Judaism, you get what thing happened for 2011 Feast of Passover. We then feast as we dey eat. One old man, way be former Mozart, the man then like something, his name na Ariel. Ariel, when I ask him his meaning, he say it means, I think, lion in Hebrew. You know what this man talk? When did they ask us where we from? I can't tell her. He said, which part of Nigeria? I think I say I be Igbo. You know what this man talk? This man talk say na me suppose spearhead the feast of Passover. Everybody begin laugh. Me say they laugh. We think say old age they disturb the man. But the rabbi and the deputy no laugh. I no understand that thing until 2 years later. These people sabi who we be, but we don't know who we be. See Black Panther where they just finished. The general of Wakanda, Nokoi, he thinks in an accident, Igbo person. When there was crisis, he hear what they tell him. They say, you are our best. You are our hope. We are the hope of the black nation. We are the hope of humanity. Now here, I go stop because this thing divides me. Take this message to other people. Because education will lead to freedom. Education is the light, not miseducation. Thank you. Take good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Ebeka unosi Biafra. Ebeka unosi Biafra. Gamarapo Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agamarapo Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra gade.